Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So here I'm going to share with you the lunch menu that I prepared using earthen pots. So in the beginning you saw 3 earthen pots. The first one I used to make rice. The second one I made cabbage, beans and carrot mixed veggie recipe, which I will share in the link below if you haven't seen that. And in the third one I'm going to make chicken. Yes, this is going to be completely new for you if you haven't seen this way of making chicken. So here I'm taking 2 onions. These are quite large onions. 2 tomatoes, few green chilies, curry leaves, garlic cloves, ginger. And I have chicken breast there. So you can see the way I'm going to make. In a bowl, I'm putting all the onions. So 2 onions I chopped. Here I'm adding curry leaves. Now freshly making a paste of ginger garlic. I like to use my mortar and pestle here rather than using the mixer grinder. So here you can see I have cut 2 tomatoes, 2 onions, green chili slit and ginger garlic paste. Next we are adding freshly grounded coriander powder. Now we add salt per taste. Next we add turmeric powder, half teaspoon. This is red chili powder, half teaspoon. Next we will add chicken masala here, half teaspoon. So I'm using Eastern chicken masala, half teaspoon. Next we are going to prepare freshly grounded all spices or garam masala. So these are the raw spices that I am using. Normally I make in large quantity and I will only use half teaspoon of this garam masala and rest I will store it in a closed container for several other cooking purposes. So here you can see I have taken cardamom, then there is cinnamon stick, star anise seed, cloves, this is nutmeg, fennel seed, I'll dry roast them and make sure that they doesn't get brown. Just like for 5 minutes I'll dry roast and ground them using mortar and pestle. So these are dry roasted and ready to be powdered. You can see it here. I like to make freshly grounded masalas like this. So it's good in quantity. I'll take half teaspoon of this and store the rest of the masala. Next I'm going to add the chicken breast that we cut into small pieces and add to this rest veggies that we cut. So this is a different way of making chicken recipe. Normally we saute all the vegetables and after the gravy is prepared we put the chicken so that it starts cooking. But this is a different way where we are putting all ingredients in one bowl before placing it on the stove. So onion, tomatoes, all the spices, garam masala, curry leaves, ginger garlic paste, everything is there, nicely coated, and marinated the chicken with all the spices. Next we will put the earthen pot on the gas stove or the cooktop and put little oil and add this mixture to it. So for 2 hours we will cook this, yes, on low medium heat, and for around 1.5 hours to 2 hours. Slowly we will cook it and all the veggies will be nicely cooked and mashed and only the chicken will be there. It will be very delicious recipe, trust me friends. When food's cooked on slow, it tastes really good, and this is what we are going to do in earthen pot today. So nicely everything is marinated. It smells so good, all the spices that we grounded, it smells really good. Try this recipe. Next I am going to put the earthen pot on the cooktop. Now I am adding coconut oil here. You can use any cooking oil, olive oil, canola or any oil that you use. So add little oil and add the chicken mix here and let it cook for 2 hours on slow cook, like low medium heat. Close the lid and let it cook. Enjoy this with hot rice or chapati. It's still cooking. I'll let it cook for another 1 hour. The onions has to be completely mashed and the gravy will be nicely dried out. Still cooking for another 1 hour, and we enjoy this with rice, and that's the lunch menu that I said. Look how delicious it looks. So we made the cabbage beans recipe. Chicken is ready after 2 hours. Slow cooked, so delicious. Here we enjoy the rice, chicken, cabbage recipe and papadam. This is very famous in southern part of India. See you soon with new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.